In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Continue where you left off on Google Chrome. If you've ever closed your browser and wished all your tabs would come back exactly as they were, this feature is made for you. It tells Chrome to automatically reopen the tabs and windows from your last browsing session so you can pick up your work, research, or entertainment without missing a beat. Let's set it up together on desktop. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner of the window, click the three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. On the left side of the Settings page, click on Startup. You'll see a few options for what Chrome should do when it launches. Select Continue where you left off. That's it. From now on, whenever you start Chrome, it will restore the tabs and windows that were open the last time you used it. If you want an even faster way to get there, you can jump straight to the right page. Click in the address bar at the top and type Chrome/Settings on Startup, then press Enter. That takes you directly to the Startup Preferences where you can choose Continue where you left off with a single click. Here's what this feature does for you. It restores all the tabs and windows that were open in your previous session, which saves time if you close Chrome by accident or had to shut down quickly. It's great for resuming long research sessions, ongoing projects, or any set of pages you like to keep handy during your day. A few important tips to keep in mind. This works best when Chrome closes normally. If the browser or your computer is force closed, or if the system crashes, Chrome may not capture the last state perfectly. Also, tabs from incognito windows are never restored. That's by design to protect your privacy, so anything you open in incognito won't reappear the next time you start Chrome. And if you ever notice that tabs aren't coming back as expected, try updating Chrome to the latest version. Then revisit the On Startup settings and reselect Continue where you left off to make sure it's enabled. With this setting on, you can confidently quit Chrome knowing your workspace will be right there when you return. It's a small change that makes a big difference in day-to-day productivity. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother start every time you open your browser.